Having Becky G on set has been a blast. She is so cute. We were hanging out in hair and makeup, like talking about music.
It's Becky G!
The lights are shining like the sun out tonight.
This is my first time acting on a series, and I'm very excited that it happened to be this show, because I'm a fan of it. All my siblings are a fan of it.
She's very comfortable on set. It's nice to see someone that comes on set and is just already part of the team.
In this episode, there's a big award show. Allie's opening for Becky G, so it's very exciting.
Sometimes it feels like everyone's eyes are on you.
She's trying to figure out how exactly to perform on the episode. She wants to do a huge dance number, so we'll see what happens.
I didn't cancel your audition. Trish called me and said you were canceling because you weren't ready.
I don't want you to embarrass yourself.
Wow.
Fans can look forward to another great Austin and Allie episode. The energy is just always like at a level 10, and now I feel like I'm bringing that Becky G energy to one of the episodes. So it'll be like Austin and Allie times 100.
Got it.